English Grammar Course Nouns Part 1C. Place Nouns. In our previous lesson, we learned about person nouns. We discovered that words like teacher, doctor, mother, friend, and ally are person nouns because they are names of people. Today, we are going to learn about another important type of noun, place nouns. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify place nouns, use them correctly in sentences, and easily recognize them in your daily life. Hello everyone, welcome back to Write with Ansifa. So let's begin. What is a place noun? A place noun is the name of a place. In simple words, if a word tells us where someone or something is, it is a place noun. Places can be small or big. A place can be a room in your house. A place can be your school. A place can be your village or city. A place can even be a country or a continent. Every place has a name. That name is called a place noun. Examples of place nouns. Let's look at some common place nouns. Places at home: house, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, garden, living room, garage, balcony. Places in school: school, classroom, library, playground, office, laboratory, hall. Places in the community: park, hospital, market, mosque, temple, church, bank, post office, police station, bus stop, railway station, airport. Countries and cities: India, Maldives, Saudi Arabia, Japan, Canada, Kerala, Delhi, Mumbai, Kochi, London, Dubai. Place nouns in sentences. Now let's see how place nouns are used in sentences. I go to school every day. Here, place noun is school. My father works at a hospital. Place noun is hospital. The children are playing in the park. Place noun is park. We bought fruits from the market. Place noun is market. My uncle lives in India. Place noun is India. The airplane landed at the airport. Place noun is airport. We borrowed books from the library. Place noun is library. The train arrived at the railway station. Place noun is railway station. Let's imagine. Where do you wake up? At your house. Where do you study? At your school. Where do you play with your friends? In the playground or park? Where do you buy food? At the market. Where do you go when you are sick? To the hospital. Every place you visit has a name. That name is a place noun. Activity time. Let's play a game. I will say a word. You tell me if it is a place noun or not. Ready? School. Yes, it is a place noun. Teacher. No, a teacher is a person. Hospital. Yes, it is a place noun. Lion. No, a lion is an animal. India. Yes, India is a place noun because it is the name of a country. Chair. No, a chair is a thing. Park. Yes, it is a place noun. Practice questions. Find the place noun from question 1 to 5. First question. My brother is waiting at the bus stop. Place noun is bus stop. Second question. We visited the zoo on Sunday. Yes, place noun is zoo. Third question. My aunt works in a bank. Place noun is bank. Fourth question. They are traveling to Japan next month. Yes, place noun is Japan. Fifth question. The students are reading in the library. Yes, place noun is library. Challenge time. First question. Can you name 5 places in your house? Second question. Can you name 5 places in your school? Third question. Can you name 5 places in your town or village? Fourth question. Can you name 5 countries you know? Pause the video and write your answers in the comment box. The more you practice, the better your English will become. Common mistakes. Some students think that only countries are place nouns. That is not true. A room, garden, school, market, and hospital are also place nouns. Remember this simple rule. If the word names a place, whether it is big or small, it is a place noun. Quick quiz. Let's answer these questions together. First question. Is school a place noun? Yes. Is doctor a place noun? No. Is Kerala a place noun? Yes. Is book a place noun? No. Is airport a place noun? Yes. Well done. Summary. Today we learned that a place noun is the name of a place. Examples include house, school, library, park, hospital, market, airport, India, Kerala, Japan. Remember this easy rule. If a word names a place, it is a place noun. In our next lesson, we will learn about animal nouns with lots of interesting examples, sentence practice, and fun activities. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Write with Ansika. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.